Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Happy Saturday. So this video is going to focus on adding fractions. What are the steps to add fractions? Very, very simple, especially if we're focusing on fractions that have like terms, which video is going to focus on fractions that have like terms. How to add fractions with unlike terms. There's some extra steps in there. I'm not going to get into that. But for fractions with like terms, where the denominator is the same, very, very simple. Two steps. Step one is you add the numerators. So the numerators are the top numbers in the fraction. So step one is you add the numerators. 4/8 plus 3/8. So you're going to add 4 plus 3. Very simple. I think everybody watching, most people watching know how to do that and add single digit numbers. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now the second step is whatever the bottom number is, whatever the denominator is, which is the bottom number, you keep that the same. So the denominator in both of these fractions is 8. So it's going to stay the same in our answer. So 4/8 plus 3/8 equals 7/8. The only difference when you add fractions versus when you're adding whole numbers is you keep the denominator the same. That's the only difference. With each of these fractions, I'm going to do about 4 more examples. You'll see I add the top numbers, and then the bottom numbers, we keep it the same. So I'm going to do about 4 more examples here. Keep it simple. 2/4 plus 1/4. So the denominator or bottom number in this problem is 4. And the two different numerators are 2 and 1. So step number 1, we're going to add 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then the denominator, we keep it the same. So 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. All right, now I'm going to do another one. Huge thank you to whoever just tuned in. Please hit that like button. Hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. All right, next problem. 5/10. Excuse me. Had to sneeze right quick. 5/10 plus 2/10. And again, if you want to try this problem yourself, feel free to pause the video, maybe copy the problem down on a piece of paper and give it a try. For those of you that want to see me model it, I'm going to give it about 5 seconds. At the 3:30 mark, I'm going to model how to do that. All right. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Whatever the denominator is, we keep it the same. So the denominator in both of these fractions is 10. So we're going to just keep the denominator the same, bring that down. And we have our answer. 5/10 plus 2/10 equals 7/10. All right, 2 more problems. 2 more problems I'm going to do. And again, if you want to try these problems on your own, right after I write the problem down, just pause it and copy it down on a piece of paper. You'll be able to try it on your own. All right. 1/3 plus 1/3. Let me make that 3 a little bit neater. All right. Let me bring this in a little bit more. There we go. Wanted to make it a little, stand out a little more so y'all can see it. The lighting in my classroom, away from my classroom, isn't as good as the lighting in my actual classroom, so got to improvise a little bit. All right, 1/3 plus 1/3. So the first step, we just add the numerators. We add the top numbers. 1 plus 1, very simple. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we just look at what the denominator is. The denominator stays the same. And our answer is 2/3. One more problem. And then I'm going to end this video with a soccer drill. Nine twelfths. Let me make this so y'all can see it. I'm going to thicken this number out here a little bit. There we go. 9 twelfths plus 2 twelfths. That's going to be what the problem is. All right, so we're going to look at the numerators first. We're going to add 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Now looking at the denominator is 12 in both of these fractions, so we just keep the denominator the same. All right, perfect. So those are my 5 fractions. So now I always end most of my, not every video, but most of my videos I end doing some type of sport or challenge. For all of you that have been regularly watching, you know that I have a soccer challenge that I'm working on. Soccer was one of my worst sports. I grew up on basketball. I'm not really a soccer guy, but, you know, I try to be as good as I can at everything. So my goal was 5 I'm going to do some juggling with the soccer ball. Well, I'm going to be using a volleyball because I don't have an actual soccer ball. But my goal is to get 5 juggles. I'm going to be kicking the ball on my feet as many times as I can. I'm going to try to get 5 juggles. And I'm going to do that for the next 7 minutes. So let me move this back here. So y'all can see. All right, here we go. 1. 1. 1. Like I said, soccer is not my best sport. So far, I haven't been able to get 2. I'm going to keep practicing, though. I'm going to keep trying. 1, 2. I got 2 juggles that time. 1, 2, 3. 3 juggles. 3 juggles. That's my record for today. All right, here we go. 1. 1. All right, here we go. 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. 3 is my record so far today. Want to get at least 5. I got about 6 minutes left to do that. 1. 1. Here we go. Here we go. Are we ready? wasn't me. I got 2 and then I slipped. I think my all-time record for juggles is 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 2 again. 1, 2. See the other foot now. 1. 2. 1. 1. 3 minutes left. So far, the most juggles I've gotten is 3. Like I said, working at this because soccer, not something I'm particularly good at. 1. Here we go again. 1, 2. Got 2 that time. Next one. Maybe I'm going to start with my weak foot. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Got 3 that time. All right. 1. 1. Agility, timing, technique, all that goes into being able to juggle. 1, 2. Minute 40 left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Got 3 that time. 1. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 1. 1. 2. 1. 30 seconds. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. 1. Well, that's 15 minutes. Still haven't gotten to my goal of 5 juggles. Most I've ever done is 4. Most I did today was 3. But another day. I do this once a week, 15, 20 weeks, I'll hit the goal. Got no doubts. And that is a message to all of you not to give up just because something is hard for you at the start. This is hard for me, but I'm not discouraged, and I'm going to keep trying. I'm not going to give up. My goal is to get 5 juggles. I will get 5 juggles before this year is done. Before next year is done. I'll give myself till 2024. By 2024, I will get 5 juggles with that soccer ball. All right. I'll be shooting another video on subtracting fractions within the next 15, 20 minutes, but that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it.